Hey everybody, my name is Michelle. I'm a volunteer here at the Colorado Wolf and Wildlife Center, and we are doing our weekly wolf blog. Sorry we didn't get a blog last week. There was a little bit of a recording error, user error, we'll say. That was my fault. But we wanted to answer a couple of quick questions that we had. We just found a book too that's full of great questions as well. But this is actually a question that we also had, and that's, why do wolves howl? Now, wolves howl for a variety of reasons, but it's all communication. Just like we like to talk to each other, so do the wolves. Now, wolves also communicate a lot through body language, which is actually their main form of communication, but their howls are their long-distance form of communication. A howl can cover, you can hear it from up to 10 miles away, but it covers over 120 square miles. So it's great for helping them keep their territories and tell other wolf packs, coyotes, or people where the wolves are at and where their territories are. But they also howl for any number of reasons, whether or not they've been away from each other for the day, they're going on a hunt, they're coming back from a hunt, if there's another wolf in their territory, or if they're just lost. Unfortunately, it's really sad because wolves do mourn each other. So in all these hunting seasons that they've been doing where they're trapping and killing these animals, the family members do cry and try and find them for weeks, days, months, and it's very, very tragic. So they do call for each other, and there's all sorts of different howls, and all different howls mean different things. Here at the center, there's a lot of distinct howls. You can definitely tell when somebody's going for a walk. That is a different howl from their normal, hey, we're here, we're awake, we're just having fun. In the morning, you can definitely tell if we're taking Wakanda or Kenai out for a walk. So they also howl just for the fun of it. So like birds, when you have birds that wake you up at 5 in the morning when the sun's not even out yet, it's kind of a morning song to let everybody know that they're there, to reestablish their territory, making sure that any other animals that might have moved in over the night know that the wolves are actually there. Pulling hair off of him while we're doing this blog. So there's all sorts of different reasons. Now, one of the other questions is, when do they howl? In the wild, they can howl pretty much whenever. Same thing here. Now, we try and get our wolves to howl for us on our tours, so usually at the end of every tour you might hear them start howling, but they always howl at dawn and dusk. And part of the reason why is, like I said, it's the morning and the evening song to let the other animals know where they are and where they're going at the end of the night or in the morning. So, oh, Kikoa, you're such a ham. Oh, goodness. So, there's one question that we also get asked quite often, is if wolves howl at the full moon. Now, of course, wolves do not howl at the full moon. That is a myth, but I can tell you exactly where it came from. It's because wolves, when they do howl, they put their heads up towards the sky. So people used to assume that maybe they're just howling at the moon, but as Darlene likes to say, one time, a long time ago, somebody probably heard a wolf howling and looked up at the full moon. He said, oh, that poor lonely animal, he's so sad, he's just crying at the moon. But wolves don't necessarily just howl because they're sad. They definitely don't just howl at a full moon. So this is Kikoa, and my name's Michelle, and we were doing our weekly wolf blog, and we'll see you guys next week. Hopefully we won't have any more user errors, and we'll actually get you another blog next week.